It's in my absolutely favorite color. It's one of my favorite cars. Now I'm so happy that it's my garage and I drive it as often as I can.
Welcome to Double Clutch and the House of Classics. Today, we're taking you outside of Zurich, Switzerland, and talking with a second-generation collector and classic car dealer.
This car was sold in '64 in Zurich, in Mercedes garage. Before I went into the classic car business, I worked for this garage almost 10 years in Zurich by the Mercedes-Benz. 2 years ago, a guy came up and asked me if I would like to buy this car. And if I saw, wow, it's Mercedes Zurich, it's in my absolutely favorite color, it's one of my favorite cars, I fell immediately in love with it. And now I'm so happy that it's my garage and it's my car and I drive it as often as I can, and just lovely, and I do bigger tours, I go to holidays with the car. After I had the car, I found in the glove compartment the picture of the first owner. So this car has only one owner and he's died, but the son of him brought me the car, and if I saw the picture on it, oh, I fell in love with this guy. He was a good-looking guy, and a bit I feel him in the car. So if I had a hard working day or on Sunday, I go out with the car, I calm down immediately. I go in the landscape, drive around. I don't need the radio, I don't need the cell phone, that's anywhere, but not in the car. And it's just beautiful to drive. I'm so in love with this. Come on, let's go for a drive.
That's all we have for this week's episode. Come back next week for another classic car story, and be sure to catch our latest restoration segment this Thursday on Double Clutch.